did you know my hair is absolutely gorgeous lately? Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome if you are new. It is that time of the month. And I always like towards the middle of the month, which is weird because this normally comes like a lot earlier, but it's one of my favorite subscription boxes and we're gonna be opening it together. Well, I'm gonna open it and then you're gonna watch this, and then it's kind of like we're together, so I'm pretending and you're gonna be watching, so together. Anyway, here she is. March 2025 Allure beauty box. If you are new, and I don't know where my cloud knife is, so I'm gonna use tweezers. If you're new to my channel, hi. I have a whole playlist with these boxes and other subscription boxes. You can go check them out. But I'll leave more about the Allure beauty box down below. You do get some full size and some not full size items every month. And some months, like more often lately, you get to pick some of the things that come in your box, which I think is pretty cool. And this is how she comes. Ooh, very beautifully wrapped. So let me place this down here. And oh, the GQ box, the 2025 limited edition fragrance box. I do like a few of these brands. That sounds like, oh, and the girl one too, or the ladies one. These, I was like torn. I really did want this, but I'm like, no, because I'm getting other things. Like I've already planned. So I didn't. I held off. Anyway, this is the cute little booklet that you get every month. And she's not exactly little, but it's this nice little booklet that you get every month. Allure beauty box. On the inside, you get this note or like message from the deputy beauty director. And then throughout, it's the items you received, a little bit about them, which one thing I do like is they test, somebody at Allure uses these items. They'll tell you how to use it and then why you're gonna love it. Please tell me. And then if it's a full size and or not a full size, they tell you the full size price and everything. So it's pretty cool. From the beginning, this is one of the items you got to pick, and I don't feel like I fully understand what this is. It's from Dennis and Myricks. It's the Beauty Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Low Lighter in Unbothered, Low Key, or Incognito. It retails for $25. You're supposed to swirl the balm into your cheeks and anywhere else you want to glow, like the tip of your nose and chin, with a brush. A blush or brush works well. I got the shade Low Key, and I'm just not 100% sure. Like, I don't want a balmy kind of thing, but I'm like, I'll try it. Blurring Balm Powder. It's like, are you a balm or are you a powder? And it's like a cream that's supposed to transform. I don't know. So why will you love it? We've heard of low lights in the hair, but for cheeks, that's a new one. In this unique balm to powder formula, low lights refers to a natural looking glow and a soft focus effects, thanks to a very highlighter vibe. Oh, thanks to a very cool blurring ingredient called Upsolite. Without an obvious I'm wearing highlighter vibe. It's a subtle way to get glowing, perfect for rubbing up your makeup for spring. Okay, I was not gonna open this, but now I want to open this. And it's like cling wrapped, so I use the tweezers for that. Very convenient. Made in China. Cool. Show me what Low Key is. I think it's the middle shade on here. I'm not 100% certain. Certain. Cute packaging. Yummy Skin in Low Key. I like this. though. That's okay. Yeah, I think it's the middle one. Yeah? Yeah? I don't... Ugh. It's like a highlighter. I don't want a highlighter though. I haven't been a highlighter girly for a while. I think I know why I picked this color, because I can take this and use it as a blush. Or I'm hoping to use it as a blush this summer. Okay. Yeah. Blush. It's definitely reflective. We'll see if it dries down. Weird. Definitely highlighty. I do see it just definitely stand out a lot. So there's that. But okay, not terrible. I'm gonna try my best to use this as a blush, honestly. Or underneath, like the underpainting for makeup. Because I don't think I know anybody else who would know what this is. Now I'm gonna start asking because I'm curious and I want to know. Because if somebody else knows, 1, I'm gonna make a new best friend. 2, ooh. Let's go to the second item in here. Is that you? No. Yeah? No. No? Oh. Ooh. This is from Glow Recipe. It's the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Gloss Balm. Where did oh, Ipsy. My Ipsy Glam bag. I got a teeny tiny one of these. Good stuff. We went on like 3 trips right after I got that. And it was so handy. My lips were going through it. And I feel like every time I applied that, it just made it so much better. So that's what this is. It's $22. Are we... Sorry, my hair like wants to come in my face. $22. It's pretty big though. Smooth in onto bare lips or over your favorite lipstick or stain for a pretty sheen. I kind of did. I put on like the lip liner stain and then I put this on before I put on any lippies. And it made it so much better. Why you'll love it. It's my absolute favorite. OMG, I've gone through 5 pots. I've never hesitated to use it. Wow. It's juicy, it's thick but not heavy, shiny but not sticky, flavorful but not in a chillish way. In short, it's the perfect lip balm to keep lips hydrated. Let me see what she looks like. Why do I struggle with packaging? Is it just a me thing? Hi, this is cute. I want to use the other one before I open this one up, and like, because it says it's got a 12-month. There's no freaking way you use all this. Look at this. I'm like trying to... There's no way you use all of this. Do you guys use it like on your elbows? Like some dry patches you might get? And because I have the... What is it, eczema? I don't know, I get like these dry, flaky, patchy spots on my body sometimes, and I feel like this would be perfect for that, like a balm. But I mean, like if you're applying it every day. Ooh, this is like a challenge. Can you use all of this in 12 months? Apparently, the Allure Beauty Box editors have, because they repurchase it. Ooh, this is the other thing that I grabbed. And I was like, excuse me, but like, hello. Okay. So this, it's from Skin Fix. It's the Triple Lipid Eye Treatment. And I was like, what? This is full size. It's $54, which I know. $54 for this tiny thing. But it's an eye thing. So anytime it's an eye thing, automatically the price like quadruples. It says here you're supposed to tap a little under your eyes and over crow's feet in the morning and at night. So both. I've heard of all the good things with lipids and your skin, and I'm excited to try this. I might, it was a Best of Beauty Allure award winner in 2023. It's 2025. And if we're still seeing it, they're doing something right. It's a lightweight eye cream, gentle enough for sensitive skin, but manages to depuff. Is there? Oh! So not only is this one is also an Allure Beauty box. Allure Beauty? Allure Beauty winner. It doesn't tell me the year though. Are they all? No. Okay. I was like, are they all? Did I miss that? No. But here it is. Cute little thing. I will be trying this. $54. Kind of. I don't have much. I do have like the under eye here. And like the days where I'm just laughing and smiling so much, these will crinkle crease into my makeup. And I'm not mad at it, honestly. But that's okay. Ooh, this next one. It is from Versed. Dew Point Gel Cream Moisturizer. Versed. Dew Point Moisturizer. Green tea extract and aloe leaf juice. The juice, okay. $14.99 for this little thing. So hold, where do you, because it says here you're supposed to run it over clean skin morning and night for a happy moisturized complexion. So we're just talking about like the skin on the face, right? Yeah. Oh, face and neck. Okay, yeah, good. Because this is where? Face and neck. And I was like, excuse me? Ooh, so here, why are we going to love it? As the winter starts to warm up. Oh. As the weather, I mean, it is winter warming. As the weather starts to warm up, switching to a lighter moisturizer can feel as refreshing as a spring breeze. This jelly formula has the same bouncy vibe. Okay, so I do love me a gel-like moisturizer. Lately though, my skin has been just craving the creamy, thick moisturizer. I don't know why. She's been dry. Probably because of the traveling now that I say it out loud. But this goes probably to the end of my to use, but will definitely get used because I like green tea. It's a me thing. And this little tiny thing is $14.99. Well, it says you're supposed to only use like a pea size amount. Oh, a peanut size amount. Do they know I don't like peas, so they switched peas to peanuts? I like the peanut in the shell or out of the shell? I got questions. We can address them later. Anywho, ooh, look at this. We got two more. So this next item, it's from Belief. Once upon a time, I swear, it used to be called Belief Beauty, but now it's just Belief. It's the Super Drops Niacinamide Golden Glow Serum. This is not a full size. No. So the full size is 50 ml for $38, and this is 10 ml, which is totally cool. Wear the serum on its own as a primer or mix a few drops into your moisturizer. Oh, even a tinted moisturizer. Skincare makeup hybrid from beloved K-beauty brand Belief gives skin an instant glow with gold pearls, brightens with vitamin C, blurs look of pores in the process. Okay. The box certainly is cute. She's attracting me. Definitely similar to what they normally have, but brighter. Their stuff is normally like blue. Ooh, that's a good amount. Especially because they're saying like drops, so I imagine you just do like here and there, like do. Apply 2 to 3 drops, yeah. Given I do have a pretty big face, that's probably going to last a long time. Oh, and if you know me, if you've seen any of my videos, I'm a Korean skincare girly. I love me some Korean skincare. It's good. And speaking of good, this is the last item? Yeah. I've been wanting to try this. I have like a list, or not a list, I have a lineup of mascaras I need to get through. And I did kind of want to buy this, but I'm like, no, but I'm like, yeah, but you know how Sephora's having this sale at the same time. Ulta's having a sale, so I was like, maybe if this goes on sale, I'll get it. But it's normally like $12, but I was like, for $6. Anyway, this is the Sephora Collection Size Up Volumizing Mascara. Oh, it's $13. This is not the full size. This is like a teeny tiny little travel size guy. So it makes me wonder if it's going to give me the same oomph as the bigger one. So you're supposed to wiggle the wand into your roots of your lashes first. It'll deposit the extra eye defining pigment at the base and then coat the lashes up to their now very dramatic looking tips. Okay. Small but mighty tube houses tons of drama. Fluffy wand and rich formula give lashes impressive volume, making it the perfect way to finish off any makeup look. Does that say 180% volume? If I didn't have mascara on right now. Oh, it's so little. Oh, it's a solid tube. Yeah, I'm gonna just sneak this into my purse, and like if I leave the house without mascara and I have to put some on later, it's right there. Tell me all the good things about this, because I've heard a lot of good things about this, but people are like, yeah, it's good, and then just like move on. But I'm like, how good? Are we talking like Essence Lash Princess? Or are we talking like the Kylie Kylash? Are we talking the KKW mascara? Oh, God. That was my jam. What else is good? There's other ones I can't remember right now. But like, how good are we talking? Questions. And, oh, I'm flipping the page back the other way. We're just going to go in reverse now. That's everything. On the back, it'll show you can go into their member store, get some items discounted, and on the back, this very large ultra hydrating balm and high shine gloss in one. Oh, this is the Allure Beauty winner in 2023 as well. Cool. But that's everything. The start of something beautiful. Can I put it all back in the box? I've been trying so much to do like the little guys with their like animal catching fish thingies. Show off all the stuff that I got. Kind of cutesy. Is this everything? This is everybody. Wow. This is everybody. Not big, but powerful items in here. I mean, look at the blush. She's, okay, it's not a blush, but the, what do you call yourself? The Lowlighter? She's melting. She's melding. And I don't dislike it. I do feel like I would put this on under a powder. For sure. Cute though. I like her. Ooh. Maybe it's like a take on, because if it does like the cream to powder, and then you could do like a cute little eyeshadow look, just like a swipe. You know what I mean? No? Yeah. You'll later. We'll do it later. Anyway, this is my Allure Beauty box for March 2025. I pause and I panic. What if I say the wrong date or the wrong month or something? But March 2025. Here we are. We're doing it. Having fun. I'm going to end the video here. But if you like what you saw, you can go check out this video in my Allure Beauty Box playlist. Hit the like and subscribe button. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!